Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So nothing really going on. We did get the Feds come out with a bit of noise about tapering back their bond purchases and their asset purchases, etc. And it impacted the dollar quite a bit. But the markets just sort of went into a consolidation mode. They didn't really react to it. They bounced around a little bit, but that was about it. At the same time, we've got quite a few results coming out. We've still got data coming out today, so we've got the jobs number today. Is end of the month and end of week as well. So you're going to have bulls trying to get higher closes, and you're going to have the bears that are going to be trying to get lower closes to try and get a move to the outside. So at the moment, this is exactly what the chart is representing, that you've got a tussle between the bulls and bears right now, just trying to establish dominance for the start of the new week and start of the new month. So anyway, that's what it is. There's still a lot of results coming out. We've got Amazon coming out today as well, but we've had good results yesterday and it done nothing to the market. So obviously, forward thinking over the last week, coming into earnings, that's pretty much where the value was down here. Anyway, if we just start shooting through the different levels, you can see obviously this area here, it's not exact, I'm just going to put it on. That's 4394 or 4400 area we're still tussling with that. And I think if you remember back to 4200, you can see around the 4200 area, you see what happened around the 4200, sort of bouncing around, drop below it, and then eventually break. So that's pretty much what is transpiring at the moment. We had it at the 4300, not really so much at the 4300. You can see it just came back, broke through, came back, bounced, second attempt through, and then up. So these are the 4000, the 4200, the 3800. Every 200 points, if you look back on the chart, you'll see there's this kind of price action consolidating every 200 points. So that's the way I'm looking at it at the moment. The fact that we've broken through this channel is a bit concerning. So just going to keep that on the charts. And if we come down to the hour, start having a look at what we can see here. Nothing really. We're in amongst the moving averages. We've got some strong support here. If we do start breaking below 4385 area, then you've got the next level down here, which is 4342. But we are in a bull trend, so each one of these tails will hold up price somewhat. So it just depends how we, what happens. At the moment, anyone's guess, we are sideways. So I'm sitting on the sides. I'm really not interested in this at the moment. Yesterday, you can see this was the Fed's announcements here when the Feds came out with announcements after their meeting. But see, we rallied a bit and then came off. So there's no real impact to this. This is just algorithms trading. So investors are still sitting on the sideline and not really interested in committing money at these lofty levels. So so for me, that's exactly what I'm doing, sitting on the side, and we'll wait to see if we can get a deeper pullback and get a better opportunity lower down. There are also little gaps down. I'm not going to highlight them on this. Did highlight some of them on the Dow video, but on the 15 or 5 minutes, if you look down through this upward trend, you'll see lots of little gaps in the price action. So those are also magnets to the downside at the moment. So anyway, if I do see something, I'll call it on the Telegram channel. But at the moment, I think it's long weekend and been a month of ranging, so not really a highly profitable month. But at least there's money in the bank. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.